We have a lot of karma. And the karma has been accumulated for many, many years. This years alone, and many, many lifetimes. And this karma doesn't go away. It doesn't disappear. It doesn't dissipate. Even today we take refuge. And from today on, we don't do any negative things. Even before we met our gurus, before we met our sifus, before we met Buddha, before we met a Buddha book or whatever, before we met, and from then on, once we meet, from then on we transform, we change, and we don't collect much negative karma. Gross karma, there's a difference, subtle and gross. We don't collect much gross negative karma anymore, but there's negative karma that we collected from before. And that karma doesn't disappear. That karma doesn't go away. That karma doesn't melt away. That karma still exists, and it is dormant. Dormant? So the danger of it is, it's dormant. Dormant means what? It has the potential to surface. It has the potential to surface. So when it surfaces, it can be very big or it can be very small. It's like leaving a disease untreated. When it surfaces, it could be much bigger and more expensive and more pain to take care of as if we had taken care of it many years ago. Similarly, karma is like that. So we shouldn't look at our situation now, oh, I'm healthy, oh, I have some money, I have a good job, I have a nice house, I live in a nice country. It's okay, what? We shouldn't sit in that kind of way idly, because that's ignorance, thinking that everything's going to be fine. Why? As we live this kind of life, we use up our positive karma. We use up our positive potential. We use up our positive store of merit. And when we don't replenish it, then when the situation comes, negative karma can open up again.